The Reese Puffs. Vinci, your fucking mic is garbage. Get a new one. Man, who the fuck? I know, why is he snoring so goddamn hard? Like, come on, buddy, clear up them fucking airways. Come on, man. Oh, we made a little sound. It would be so, yeah, it would have been so fucking funny. He just wakes up like us, just like normally talking. Who the fuck just like stays in a VC? Come on. Hey, it's Rory, I think. What's up, faggot? Fuck, man.
Oh, shut up, little boy.
Oh man, you sound a lot different than what I fucking thought. Wow.
Dude, cool. If you keep continuing with the fucking toxicity and other shit, I'm going to send LeSteelio to prey on you.
Okay, man.
Like he does with all his other children.
Oh wow, man. Oh man, I'm so sorry for edgy as hell. Okay. Wow.
LeSteelio, wake up.
Yeah, man, he's still fucking snoring. Don't wake up.
Who the fuck falls asleep on a fucking computer chair?
LeSteelio does. LeSteelio does. Yeah, he's actually sleeping.
Did he just fucking fart?
What?
Okay, this
Yeah.
can't be real.
There's no way, man. This guy's airways are this fucking blocked up. There's no way. No way.
I mean, how can he not hear us? He probably has a fucking headset on his head, so he should be able
Dude,
to.
it's fucking crazy because he's a part of like he leads like a 50K group.
Yeah, he sent a screenshot of his yearly earnings.
Which
He
is
makes
how much?
like 3 million Robux each year.
No way.
Yeah, unbelievable. And
Wait a
he gives Robux out to all his friends.
Why did he decide to put in money in our shitty community?
He didn't put in money yet.
That's what investing
He's
is.
thinking about it.
Oh.
He might put in maybe 250k. Depends. It's not that much to him anyways, because he's a rich fuck.
Alright, so you can get 350 USD per 100,000 Robux. Oh my god.
Oh my god. LeSteelio, shut the fuck up.
Holy crap. What the fuck was that sound? So it went, oh? Oh man, he stopped for a second.
You're cool, dude. Marshals suck.
Yeah, man. Agreed. Marshals are crap. We suck ass. We own Ram Ranch. Hashtag sheriffs for life. He makes these little sounds. He's like, I think we should all just start snoring with him.
Dude, marshals are so active.
I know, man.
They
So
are
inactive.
literally flooding the town with their
Wait,
conscripts.
Wait, what? They are?
No.
Oh, wait, you mean army?
It was a joke, you
I was
know?
about to say, I'm like, what the fuck do you mean? We don't have conscripts. And what do you mean?